Casey from Simply Casey. I'm up a little late working on my eBay and Etsy store and my antiques and vintage items shop and stuff. And it's so weird. I was just answering some comments on the videos, and there was one commenter who mentioned gifting and saying that it probably wasn't a good idea to gift at the tree line, which is kind of close, rather close to my home. And I mentioned how I hear, like when I'm up late like this, I can hear something coming from the porch, the front porch. And it's big, it's really heavy, because when me and my husband are walking on the porch, we never ever hear each other. So it's something that definitely weighs more than like 185 pounds. I finished that comment, went on to some of the next ones. I bet you 10 minutes didn't pass. And sure enough, I heard it. Something big come up on the front porch. So I'm a little bit frightened at the moment. I'm a little bit uneasy. I don't know what it is. We have a raccoon that tries to come around to see if there's any cat food. We don't leave any cat food overnight for that reason. But a raccoon is not a big animal. And this made a loud noise, like after it walked up on the porch. I don't know if it bumped into something or hit something. Wow. I just remember Ken M. You asked me if I'd ever heard them hit the house at nighttime. Oh my goodness, what if that was it? I'm definitely uneasy about this. Excuse me guys, I look a mess. It's, like 2:30 in the morning. But, I don't know, this is so creepy. Definitely creepy. And, I think that, I saw, I don't know, someone either mentioned or I heard something. Maybe it is Snow White, Bigfoot, her channel that has experienced him hitting her house before, maybe. I don't know, it was somebody. I don't know guys, just a little bit uneasy about it. And this is the crazy part. I didn't want to run the heat pump because it's, getting to be closer to fall, but it was still kind of warm in here because I've been gone most of the day. So I have like a little fan going, and those fans are loud. It's like what they call a box fan. It's on like medium, I think. Yeah, I know you guys can hear it right now. And whatever I heard was much louder than this fan going. I heard it plain as day. Okay guys, I'm gonna go, but If you guys know of anyone else who's experienced this sound of something, it has to be something heavy. How else would I hear it? And I heard a loud noise with it. If you guys know of anyone else experiencing it, let me know. And never leave any trash out. I know bears will come looking for trash. That happened once when we first moved here. It's been well over a year ago. Remember one of the videos we found it? It had been dragged off up into the woods. That's like the very first video about BFS, but I don't know. You guys pray for me. Pray for our safety. But you know, I've been hearing this stuff for a long time. I don't think it was brought on by the gifting. So I'm going to finish up a few things and go lay down for a little while. And I will be in touch with you guys tomorrow. I've got much more videos to come. You guys have a great night. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.